Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To remove this, take a plastic prying tool, get this from 1aauto.com, just kind of push in on this side, it'll pop it out. There's a clip there that you're trying to pop it out of. Push in the tab. We're going to pop off the piece behind the mirror. You can either get your fingers in there or use a plastic trim tool. It just pops off, it's got two clips. Pop off this grab handle here. Use a plastic trim tool. Pry it up, pop it out, put that aside. Pull the door handle open. Use the plastic prying tool to get in here. Pop that out. Use the plastic prying tool to get this clip out. If you can get the middle up, that helps unlock it, but sometimes when they're flush like that, it's difficult. This one snapped, but it'll still work. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the one that's behind the door handle. There's one in here and one deep in here. With these screws removed, the door panel is clipped around this edge, and then it's going to lift off of the door frame. So I'm going to reach under here, pull it out. Same on this side. Free. Careful, the screws were in there, so one just fell out. Put that aside. Disconnect the door handles. So that's the door lock. Pop this out. Pull it straight up. Same thing in this one, pop it out. This whole piece actually came with it. It's fine. This thing can stay in there. Disconnect the main harness from the door panel. It's clipped up here. There's a lock, it's on the other side. Pull it, push it in, pull it down. Door panel will come off. Pop this out. Pull it right off. Put that aside. To remove the speaker, there are 4 bolts. They're 12mm, or you can use a Phillips head screwdriver. I'm going to start by unplugging the electrical connector from it. Push in on the lock tab, push it up. Remove the last one, pull the speaker out of the door panel. It's got a little bit of a gasket to it. It was stuck in the door panel. It was just stuck on this rubber, and it had a little hook here, so you're going to lift it out from the bottom. It'll slide off this hook. Reinstall the speaker. This hook goes to the top. It also has the connector at the top. So just move these wires out of the way and slide it up into the door opening. So it's on that hook. Set it in place. Reinstall the self-tapping bolts and just tightening these down until I feel them get tight, and then I'm stopping. Just at the end, plug the connector back in. Make sure you don't get these cables mixed up because they can fit in both positions. The white one goes on top. Put the little lid weight in there, flip it over, clip it into place. Take the green one, You'll kind of know because one is longer than the other. They kind of fit better in their respective spots. So put the little lid weight over there, just like the top one. Snap it into place. So one pulls the door handle, one locks and unlocks the doors. We're ready for the door trim panel. So the top of this has some metal clips. They will slide onto the thin part of the sheet metal here. There is a locating pin here. And then you've got the clips all the way around and the screws that'll hold it on together. Before we do that, we need to feed this into here. Just gonna get it started. Our courtesy light, there's an opening in the bottom of the door panel for it. Just feed that through. A little tricky to install this. Get that started. Take your door harness, make sure, don't forget to plug that in or else nothing's gonna work. It'll snap into place. So we'll get this lined up. It's got a couple pins on the top and the bottom. And those are gonna push into these tabs. Now we can take the door panel. Kind of push it up towards the window. Push it up towards the window and then down over. Sometimes you gotta push in on it. Just push down, just like that. I can see that the screw holes are lining up. I've got that where I want it. I'm just gonna push in. Capture all the clips. Now I can reinstall the screws and install this small screw here behind the door handle. Take our little trim piece, get all the clips, pull this door handle out. I'll get this front one captured first. Push that into place. There's two large self-tapping screws. One's gonna go on the top, and one's gonna go on the bottom here. This door pull handle, start with the top one. With the two screws installed, we can clip this back into place. Install our little triangle piece that goes near the mirror. These two clips are here. Push right into place. There's this little clip here. This one kind of broke, but we can push it in there. If you don't have it, it's not a big deal. It doesn't do too much. The rest of the door panel is secure. Reinstall the courtesy light. Plug it back in. Push that up into place. Door panel is reinstalled.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.